check the skin, so if there's any discoloration, inflammation, or edema. To locate the design, use 3 to 4 fingers.
Unsa ganin na inyong location? Acromion process. Kita mo na inyong kanang buko. Yeah, that is your acromion process. That is where you're going to first na acromion, then locate 3. It should be 3 fingers below your acromion process. Here, acromion 3. 3. So, acromion process. Sige. Next. You're ready na ka? Wata, sige.
Next is to clean the side using an alcohol pan. Use in a circular motion.
Sige, later na. Pumana sa kusap first.
So first is so next is to clean the injection site using alcohol pan in a circular motion.
Test light na burning or burning sensation na sa ma-feel para ma-aware si patient kay makalutog makatang siya ng sakit aware din na sa patient.
Next is to hold the swab in the third or fourth fingers with your non-dominant hand. Next is to get the syringe. Next is to position the patient, bevel up, then inject the syringe 90 degrees, and we're going to use the Z-track method. Hold the
So you Z-track method ka, pero imong giswat ka, imong gaw na nang imong swat
Z-track method, and hold the syringe like dart,
bevel up.
and make sure the bevel is up.
Dart. Sige. Hold.
Put the noise.
It should be 10, ilan ganit? 10 seconds per 1 cc. Inig-inject nimo. So, dili mo dugayon. 10 seconds na
Next is to instruct the patient to hold the cotton balls and instruct the patient that do not massage it.
And then,
Next is to return the syringe in the cup.
cup. Also, ito yung practice. Wake up. Kuha ang cup. Yes.
Next, stay with the patient, position the patient in a comfortable position, and stay in the patient. Inspect medication. If inspect medication, if like nabay constipation.
Check for an observe patient if there is no allergy reaction, and then inspect if there is no bruising and induration. And then
Next is to document the all the procedures in the MAR,
like in some other
like
document.
patient name, site, route, time, yeah, medication.
Okay, for the site, what are you going to?
Kami sa sa panis sa left deltoid.
Right, left deltoid. K-I-N.